Hey, if you wonder how to charge your Sony WF-1000XM5, let me quickly show you the three different ways. The first one, for sure, you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case. Then if you want to charge case and earbuds, you have to close the case. And now we can actually use wireless method by putting this place into the wireless charger. This will actually start blinking. I mean, it will actually lights up with the red color. So it means that our device is right now charging. I'm gonna just catch focus. That's how it looks. And you can also use the second method with the cable. So in the box you can actually find this short cable, but for sure you can use the cable from your smartphone. And in my case I'm using the cable from my old Huawei smartphone, and also I'm using the charging brick from my Huawei smartphone. So that's quite simple. You just put it here, then this one, put it here, and now plug it back to the electricity, and you will also charge your earbuds and the case. And the second way is just to input this cable, for example, straight to your PC, to your game console, to your monitor, laptop, and also you will be able to recharge your earbuds and the charging case without using the charging brick. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.